Stay tuned to discover some jaw-dropping facts about airplane accidents that might just surprise you. Did you know that statistically, flying is much safer than driving? In fact, you're more likely to get in a car accident. Here's a fun fact. The black box is actually bright orange. It's designed for visibility after a crash. Most airplane accidents happen during takeoff and landing, so stay alert during those times. Believe it or not, pilots go through intense simulation training to prepare for emergencies. They're ready for anything. Airplanes are struck by lightning around once a year. But don't worry, they're designed to handle it. So there you have it. What new fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.